All right, everyone, welcome back. We have a 25 Subaru Forrester. Low mileage on it. What are the miles? Let's see here. Let me give it to you. Let me give it to you, baby. 22,003. Show you how and where the cabin filter is located. This is your dirty 22,000 mile cabin air filter. It's pretty skanky, right? It's supposed to be all white. Pretty disgusting. I already changed it. So it's behind your glove box. You don't really need any special tools with it. Right here is the strut for the glove box, so it has a soft open. You want to pop that off of this location right here. All right, and then there's two tabs right here that are rubber on both sides. You want to pop them in on both sides, kind of just flex them in. I'm going to try and show you a little bit here. Reverse process. And then there's little tabs here, tabs here, tabs here, tabs here. Pop all those tabs out, slide the cabin air filter out, slide it back in, and put this cover right back on. All right, it's really not a hinge. It's just like a shaft with an open loop. So you're going to slide them in. And then these were the things I was talking about. Just flex the glove box in so that you can get them around these hook tabs. Ready? Watch this when I pop it in. All right, you're just going to squeeze it in here and gently pull it down. All right, so once it's on its safety catch, you're going to pull the strut rod down. Pull the strut rod down. It just pops right on. Pops right off. And then put all the junk back in here. All the junk you don't need, get rid of. All the junk that you need, keep in there. Thanks for watching.